I don't know about the future. I don't understand some things about the past. I don't know why some things happen. I don't know why some things end and others last. I don't know of rhymes and reasons. I don't understand the words some people pray. But when I see the hands of mercy, Lord, protect me from the dangers in my way, I know how to say thank you. I know a blessing when I see one. I'm a recipient of grace through the hours and the days. I know how to say thank you. And there are times today when angels stood around me and I couldn't even see. And there are times when I was hurting and then you stepped in and took the pain from me. And there were moments when you stopped me, Lord, so I could smell the roses by the road. And though I'm not the wisest person, there are some things that beyond a doubt I know how to say thank you. I know a blessing when I see one. I'm a recipient of grace through the hours and the days. I know how to say thank you. I know how to say thank you. I know a blessing when I see one. I'm a recipient of grace through the hours and the days. I know how to say thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Lord. I know how to say thank you. Thank you.